জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
The weather is so bad outside. It was all fine the whole day, but suddenly it became so windy.
Really? Looking at the weather, I thought I wouldn't be able to come. But it's Sanjukta's party. I had to come.
That's great. Please have a seat. Please.
The chandelier is very beautiful, but it's swaying a lot because of the wind. Ask someone to close the windows. Otherwise, there can be an accident.
You're right. Let me find the servants. Just wait a minute.
Come here. I need to talk. Where are you going? Do you want to close the windows?
Of course.
Don't do that.
What nonsense. Can't you see there's a storm outside?
So what? It's a good thing, Sanjukta. There's so much wind because the windows are open. Isn't the ambience great? It looks like a theme party. Who knows what will happen?
Mom, please come with me. Come on, I need to talk to you.
What the heck?
Uncle, I scared you.
Is this the time to play pranks? Silly girl?
That's true. I took the mask off since you were scared because I'm an idiot. But you're so clever that you never want to remove your mask.
What does she mean? Did she mean anything? It doesn't matter what she means. Once the chandelier falls on Dripto's head and he's dead, everyone will know who I am. I just need to bring Dripto to the party and make him sit at the piano. The chandelier can fall anytime. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Welcome to the Basus. The evening party will start with my nephew Dripto's song, so keep enjoying. Have fun. Thank you.
Please take the shirt off. Let me stitch the button.
What do you mean? No, why would I take off the shirt to stitch the button?
No, actually, one shouldn't stitch it with the shirt on, sir.
Oh, really? Where is this written? No, do you think I'm an idiot out here? You want to make me believe in superstitions so that I believe you, right? But sorry, I won't give you that chance. I'll keep the shirt on. Stitch it if you can, or just leave it. You don't have to.
All right. You don't have to take the shirt off, sir. You turn this way. I'll stitch it for you. I'm not able to stop him. What do I do, Lotus? How do I convince him? How do I stop him from going under the chandelier? Please help me, Lotus. Please show me the way. Can I say something, sir? Is this necessary to play that instrument today?
You've started it again? Oh no. Let me see. Oh no. What have I done? Why did I do it?
Shouldn't I cut the thread, sir?
No, you don't need to do anything. I'll manage. You go. Just leave.
Don't go downstairs now, sir. You just touched me. Your hand got dirty. Let me get some water for you. Wash your hands and then go down.
She asked me to wash my hands. No. What does she mean? No, actually, she's right. I must wash my hand. She's nothing but a maid. She cleans the house all day. I should wash my hands. Yes, I should wash my hands.
Hey, what are you doing here? Everyone is waiting for you downstairs. I announced at the party that I would start with your song. Be quick, dear. Let's come fast. Come on, hurry up. Let's go. Come. Hey, Dripto, such beautiful girls are waiting for you, man. All the pretty girls are waiting for you, my boy. Just go down and select your girl and then you'll get married. And then your life is settled.
Yes, uncle. That's true. Today I'll definitely select the girl of my choice today. Because I need to get married as soon as possible. You carry on, uncle. I'll wash my hands and join. Please.
Good. Come fast. See you. This girl has suspected something. Otherwise, how dare she look into my eyes? I need to get the job done before she exposes me. Once Dripto is out of my way, I'll finish Nan off.
Lotus, why do I feel there's something fishy about Uncle? If he bears some bad intentions about Dripto, please don't let them be successful, Lotus. Please don't.
Did Sanjukta call you too? Did she ask you to get your daughter along?
Yes, she asked me to get my daughter along.
She said the same thing to me.
But I thought Sanjukta chose my daughter for Dripto. Now I see that it is a complicated matter. That's what. She has asked everyone to get their daughters along. I will ask you some questions now. Okay? Concentrate and think properly before answering my questions. My first question is, for Dripto's sake, can you get hurt by a bottle on your head? Hurt by a bottle? Yes. No way. My next question is, will you be able to eat his leftover food to increase your love towards Dripto?
Leftover food? Oh my lord, never!
I get it. Now it's time for my next question.
Rangana, I need to talk to you. You can do it later. Come here. What were you doing there? What were you asking them?
Hey mother, I found out all the information. Listen to me now. None of them loves Dripto as much as my friend does. Discard them. My friend is best for Dripto. She's the best for him.
Just keep quiet. You don't need to think about that. Why is Deepu so late?
Oh Lord, I took a vow today. If you don't prevent the danger Deepu is going to face, then I will keep sitting here until the danger is avoided. I won't go anywhere. Can you hear me, Lord? Please prevent the danger. My salutations to you. Here. What is it? What have you done? What did you do, Lord? You rejected the blessed flower? What are you hinting at? Is this anything ominous? Tell me, Lord.
I've got water for you to wash your hands, sir.
Keep it here. I got late because of you. Everyone's waiting for me. Oh! What's this? Why did you get hot water to wash my hand? Are you insane? Have you lost it? My hand got burnt. Couldn't you tell me that you got hot water? And why did you get hot water for washing my hands? I mean, why hot water? It's all my fault. I shouldn't have told you. You can't even polish my shoes. How could you have done this? Why are you standing here like an idiot? The water's boiling. Couldn't you see that? Why did you get hot water? Now what will you say? Yeah, that you couldn't see it and got it. That's not the case. Actually, you didn't want to see. You have no interest in working. You can't even do anything properly. Get lost from here.
No, Dripto, sir. I can see more than others. It's a trouble for me as I can see more.
Disgusting.
Lord rejected the blessed flower. I am too scared now.
Don't be scared, Mother. Perhaps Lord conveyed his blessings to us in this way. Why are you thinking negative? That's a good sign, Mother.
What are you saying? It's a good sign.
Yes. Here. Lord gave us the blessed flower, Mother. Mark my words. Deepu won't get harmed. Deepu won't get harmed.
Nayan? You? What will happen now? Will Deepu be safe now? Will you be able to protect him?
Hey, you are here? Where is Deepu?
He's getting ready. In fact, he's on his way. Dripto is the center of attraction of today's party. How can he not come, huh?
Pico? Oh, you're here? Come here, come here. Yes, listen, yes. What's going on? What's the party for? Listen, you were not at home. A lot happened in the meantime. Mom has arranged a bride selection for Dripto. What? Bride selection? Yes. You mean Dripto will select a girl of his choice? Exactly. What are you saying? Mom will get Dripto married again. That's what I'm saying. Should she introduce that uncultured girl as the daughter-in-law of this family? Listen, Jeet, don't bother about all this, okay? Just enjoy. Okay? Enjoy the party. What is going on here? Mom is getting Dripto married, but Dad, Grandma and Aunt, no one is opposing it. There's a party going on in front of everyone. Dripto is unbelievable. I thought that even though he's hard on the outside, he has a soft heart. But now I can see.
Ladies and gentlemen, there comes Dripto Basu. Woo!
Yay!
Hey, brother Dripto looks so handsome.
Welcome. Meet my son, Dripto. Okay, Mrs. Goswami and her daughter.
Hey, Dripto. She is my daughter. Hi.
Hi.
Well, she is my friend.
She's my daughter.
Hello.
Hello.
He looks like a prince. Only a princess can suit him.
Where were you in Paris?
Okay, tell me, do you want to go back there?
You should settle abroad after marriage. That would be really nice if that happens.
I must not waste any more time. The chandelier is swaying because of the wind. There's a deep cut in the rope. What if the chandelier falls by chance before Dripto sits at the piano?